Rope-to-rope transfer. The first step is to attach a backup device to one of your new ropes. The second step is to attach ascending equipment to the other rope. In this case, we're using a Croll and a hand ascender attached to a lanyard. If you started in ascending equipment, you will need to perform a changeover first. Then, operating the descender on the original ropes, ensuring the backup device comes with us, we'll move towards the new set of ropes. When moving the backup device, never place it below the main device. Towards the end of this maneuver, it may be helpful to assist by feeding the rope into the descender. Once you are directly beneath your new set of ropes, you can take the rope out of your descender and take your backup device off the original set of ropes. You can now ascend or do a changeover and descend.